I've been talking about NMN and NAD+, and how this molecule, NAD+, is kind of the helper molecule that helps turn food into energy. And so when you're deficient in NAD+, you age faster, you develop more damage in your DNA, and you get sick more often. But there's something else that's even more powerful than taking NMN that I want to tell you about today. So let's dig a little bit deeper into the science here. The human body has trillions of bacteria that make their home primarily in the gut. These bacteria are a normal part of the human body, just like your organs and your muscles and your bones. In fact, most of the cells in your body are bacteria, and these bacteria have a profound effect on your health. They're so fundamental to your survival that without them, you would not be able to live. These bacteria, which collectively we call the microbiome, have an even greater impact on your health than your genes do. Your microbiome influences your weight, your mood, your digestion, your immune system, whether or not you get allergies, your skin health, your cognitive function, and your longevity. So what I want to talk about today is the connection between your microbiome and cellular longevity. So you know that old saying, you are what you eat? Well, it turns out that you are also what your bacteria eats. 80% of the food that you eat gets fermented by these bacteria in your gut. And in the process of fermentation, they produce a byproduct called butyrate. Butyrate is an anti-aging compound that has been shown to increase the lifespan of mice by 16%. When you look at the population of bacteria in your gut, you'll find that there's about 10 times more bacteria in there than your own cells. So you can see that these bacteria are truly a fundamental part of who you are. There's actually a connection between your small intestine and your pancreas called the gut-pancreatic axis that is directly influenced by your microbiome. This connection allows your microbiome to communicate with your pancreas and to influence the production of insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate your blood sugar. And so if you have a healthy microbiome, you will have better glucose regulation and you'll have a lower risk of developing diabetes. All right, so all this brings us back to that original question. Are you in control of your health? Or is it your microbiome? Now, the answer is yes, you do have control of your health. But it's really not as much as you think. I mean, you can do all the right things. You can eat healthy, you can exercise, you can take all the right supplements. But if your microbiome is unhealthy, it's all going to be for nothing. So I think the key to health and longevity is having a healthy microbiome and having a healthy metabolome, which is the study of all the molecules produced by your microbiome. So if you want to learn more about how to improve your microbiome and metabolome, definitely contact Andrew. His contact information is provided below. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.